Welcome to the Food Tech. Today we'll look at standardized milk, its processing, nutrition, and everyday uses. Standardized milk is a type of milk where the fat content is adjusted to around 4.5%, while ensuring that the solids not fat, or SNF, remain at or above 8.5%. This is done to maintain consistency in quality and nutrition. Unlike toned or double-toned milk, which mainly reduce fat, standardized milk offers a balanced composition, making it ideal for both direct consumption and industrial use in dairy products. Let's break down the processing steps. Milk collection. Fresh milk is collected from cows or buffaloes. It's then tested for purity, microbial load, and initial fat content. Standardization. Next, the fat is adjusted to exactly 4.5%. If the milk is too rich, excess cream is removed. If it's too lean, cream is added. SNF is maintained at more than 8.5%, which includes proteins, lactose, and minerals. Pasteurization. The milk is pasteurized to eliminate harmful microbes and extend shelf life. This is done by either HTST, heating at 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, or LTLT, heating at 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Homogenization. In some cases, homogenization is applied to evenly distribute fat globules, preventing cream separation and improving texture. Packaging and storage. Finally, the milk is packed in pouches, Tetra Paks, or bottles and stored at or below 4 degrees Celsius to preserve freshness. Standardized milk provides excellent nutrition. Fat content, 4.5%, offering more creaminess than toned milk but less than full cream. Ideal for those who want moderate fat in their diet. SNF, at least 8.5%, ensuring sufficient proteins, lactose, and essential minerals. Proteins, contains both casein and whey proteins, important for muscle repair, enzyme production, and immune support. Lactose, a natural sugar that provides energy and aids calcium absorption. Minerals and vitamins, rich in calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and B vitamins, all essential for bone strength, nerve function, and energy metabolism. Standardized milk is versatile and widely used. Households, for drinking, tea, coffee, and cooking, especially where a richer taste is desired. Dairy industry, as a base for yogurt, paneer, ghee, and traditional sweets like rabri, kheer, and ice cream. Health and diet, ideal for children, teens, and adults needing good protein and calcium intake with moderate fat. Commercial use. Used in hotels, catering services, and ready-to-drink beverages due to its consistent quality. Thanks for watching. For more insights into dairy and food technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Food Tech. See you in the next video.